Hello and welcome to Dhyey Consulting's Quality Check Analysis Power BI app. At Dhyey, we have set out to implement projects that help you monetize your data. We design apps and dashboards focusing on leading KPIs and tailor our solutions specific to processes businesses like yours seek to optimize. You can now employ historical data and often incorporate external factors to generate actionable insights that can help you navigate your day-to-day business activities and refine your strategies in a rapidly changing environment. This dashboard helps you analyze quality check failures across production sites by type, reason, resolution time, and associated costs, enabling faster root cause identification and corrective action planning. For example, when you filter by location or failure type, you can see which issues occur most frequently, how long they take to resolve, and how much they cost the organization in extra spend. Like this, you can reduce production delays, lower rework costs, and continuously improve your manufacturing quality standards.